Hey out there, this is Dr. Tozzolino with Elevate Chiropractic. This message here is for you, you parents that are out there, moms and dads that are just struggling. You're worried, you're concerned, you're frustrated, you've tried to do everything and looking to do as much as you can for your little kiddo. You've even maybe come to the point to where you've even lost hope just because your kiddo is just struggling so much with whatever label there is placed on them, whether it be ADHD, autism, a sensory challenge, they've got chronic recurrent ear infections, they're bedwetting at the age of 10, they've got behavioral outbursts, OCD, ODD, whatever the label is and the struggle that may be. I know it does have an impact on life. It turns things upside down. It really interrupts things like the holidays coming up. It doesn't make them as special as you thought they were going to be. It makes your thought and vision of your child's future possibly less than what you thought it was going to be, and you're concerned about that. What I'd like to provide for you is, one, just instill some hope. We are here at Elevate Chiropractic. We see many kids with these challenges to help them get out of the storm that they're in. But the first step is to really understand, one, where they are and why they are at the point of where they're at, because many times it's not a behavioral thing that's going on. It's not that their body is just made to be sick or made to be the way it has been expressing itself. Many times it's just an expression of itself being stuck in a sensory overload, being bombarded with just current. You've probably been to all the different types of providers out there, OTs, PTs, neuropsychs, whatever it may be, even just your pediatrician, and they're telling you just keep on taking these antibiotics or this is the surgery that you need. I'd like to help provide you with another option for you. But first is, again, to learn more about what is going on, more from not just a foo-foo type of lens, but more of actually science-based and neurology-based, because many of which this is all coming through from the nervous system. So if this is something that's touching with you, that you'd like to learn more about, something to where you'd like to learn more of an awareness on how we're helping kiddos with these get through and help deal with these challenges without medications or surgeries, I'd like to provide you with that opportunity to come to our next Kids Health Dinner Workshop. It's coming up on November 29th, which is next Thursday night. We are going to go through the why this is going on to help you understand the ins and outs and understand what's going on with your kiddo and with their body and their health, so that then you can understand the how. How do I get out of this struggle? How do I change things and make for tomorrow, next month, this next year to be a better year than it has been last month and last year? Improving their focus, whether it be helping them be able to go out in public without freaking out, or helping with little Johnny's ear infections. It seems like they're getting over and over, and just antibiotic after antibiotic is being recommended, and it's not something that you'd like to go down. You'd like to do something that is having no medication or surgery, and I'd like to let you know that there is another option. So if you are interested, we are having our dinner workshop at Kona Grill, Scottsdale Quarters, next Thursday, November 29th from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. I'm going to leave the link below to where you can actually read more about the details of the event and register as well. I am providing this, and I do this step away from my practice, my family, the things that I love and care about, because it is my purpose of what I do is to help you as a parent who is stuck in this storm, who is stuck struggling, because I would like to help you have less of that struggle, less of that challenge, have more of the positivity, more of the future of what you envision for your little kiddo to be better. So please ask questions, come to our workshop. Love to answer more and help teach you more about what's going on and how you can help your little kiddo have a better next month, next year. Until then, be elevated.